This brand offers basic heat pumps that use stamped slotted panel construction, which is not as effective at protecting the condenser coil from hail damage as brands that use louvered panels. The units feature old rotary compressor technology and fixed-speed blower motors. They use R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R32. The CPH series models are dedicated horizontal units and have a 13.4 SEER cooling efficiency with a 6.7 HSPF heating efficiency. They offer electric heat kits in sizes from 5 to 20 kilowatts for supplemental heating, but the units are pretty noisy with a 80 decibel sound rating. The CDP models can be field converted for downflow or horizontal discharge. The guarantee on the brand is not very good, as it does not include total unit replacement in case of compressor failure, which has pretty much become the industry standard. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.